Hello dear students, let us continue with your grammar portion today. In the last class we saw uses of a and we also saw the omission of a and n. So today let us see the uses of the being one of the article and a definite article, and along with the uses we will also see the omission of the places where the should not be used. Okay. So as I told you that the is called a definite article, and it can be used before singular nouns, plural nouns, and also before those nouns which are uncountable. So there are various places where we can use the. So let us see one after another. The first place where we can use the is before unique objects or even before a group of objects. For example, unique objects, if I tell you, such as the sun, the equator, the earth, the universe. Okay, that is the first uses of the. So next, the can also be used before a noun which is made definite as a result of being mentioned the second time, which means in the first time when we will mention the particular noun, okay, it is not that we will be using the, but when we will be mentioning the same noun second time in a particular sentence, then we can use the, because when we mention it for the second time it becomes a definite noun. Now for example, I saw a girl and a boy in the park. See, I saw a girl and a boy in the park. Okay, full stop. If I continue the sentence now, the girl was singing and the boy looked angry. So see, the noun girl and boy, when I use it for the first time, I use the article a. I saw a girl and a boy. But when the same noun girl and boy was used again, okay, in the form of definite, I used the. I saw a girl and a boy in the park. The girl was singing and the boy looked angry. Next uses of the is before a noun made definite by addition of a phrase or clause. I repeat, a noun which is made definite but by the addition of a phrase or a clause. For example, the boy. Boy is a noun. The boy in the museum. Okay, so the noun boy became a definite with the addition of a phrase or a clause. Next, the can also be used before a noun representing only one particular thing. For example, please pass the table salt. So that means the table salt is on the table, right? So please pass the table salt. Okay, so we are referring to that particular thing. Next, the is used before a proper noun only when it is qualified by an adjective. So in the last class, in the first class of the grammar, I already asked you to write what is adjective and various definitions, right? So here we can use the before a proper noun, okay, but only when it is qualified by an adjective. For example, the great Caesar. Okay. Next, we can also use the before superlatives and ordinals like first, second, etc. Okay, which is used as adjective. For example, see the second book, the first chapter. Okay. Next, the is also used before a singular noun to represent a class of animals or things. I repeat, to represent a class of animals or things. For example, the elephant is the largest animal on the land. So class of animals or things. So the elephant is the largest animal on the land. Next, the is used before an adjective to represent a class of persons. A class of persons, okay, a certain type, a particular type, a group of persons, okay. The rich are glamorous. I repeat the example, the rich are glamorous. So basically when I use the word the rich, it is representing, or it is talking about those group of people, those group of persons, those who are rich. Next, the is used before names of seas, rivers, groups of islands, chain of mountains, or even plural names of countries, desert, region, okay, like say the Pacific Ocean, the United States of America, and so on. Next, the is used before names consisting of noun, okay, I repeat, noun plus of and then again noun. Now, for example, the Bay of Bengal, Bay, noun, of Bengal, noun plus of plus noun. So, the is used before that, the Bay of Bengal. Next, the is used before a surname to denote a family, but it must be in the plural form, okay. The Guptas, which means Mr. and Mrs. Gupta and their children. So, it is together the Guptas, plural form. Next, the is also used before names of buildings, hotels, restaurant, museums, theaters, cinemas, and etc. Like the Taj Mahal, the White House, right. We can also use the before the names of newspapers, magazines, right, the Hindustan Times, the Telegraph, correct. The can be also used before the names of races, ethnic groups and communities such as the Christians, the Spanish, and also the is used in the before the names of holy books as well, say the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, etc. And also before abbreviations, okay, when we write abbreviations for example, say the ICICI, we all know ICICI Bank, right, or the UNESCO, okay, these are the abbreviations. And also before names of inventions, for example, if I tell you who invented the car, so car is something which is invented, right. So before the names of invention also you can use the. And before dates, for example, she was born on the 1st of April 2005. I repeat, she was born on the 1st of April 2005. And also we must take note of certain places where the cannot be used. The is not used before proper nouns, okay. Say if I tell you the names of the weekdays or the months, say Monday, February, or name of place, Kanpur, okay, or even name of a person, say Abhishek, for example. The cannot be used before abstract nouns as well. Now, poverty is a curse. Now, curse is an abstract noun, right? Even poverty is an abstract noun. So, we cannot use the before abstract noun. Next comes before material nouns. For example, water is precious, material nouns. Next, we cannot use the before the names of meals. You remember? I even told you that with regard to the omission of a and an, even a and an cannot be used before the names of meals, provided it is the name of a special meal. Remember, we have discussed the similar sort of thing in the last class. So same is applicable here as well. Even the cannot be used before the names of meals. Say for example, I had some bread and butter for breakfast. Next, the cannot be used before names of parts of the body and clothing. For example, open your mouth. The cannot be used before the names of languages and branches of knowledge. Say English is a language, chemistry, economics, these are various subjects, branches of knowledge. So you cannot even use the before language or before branches of knowledge. Next is before words like father, mother, uncle, etc. Okay, you cannot use the before such type of words. And you cannot also use the before names of games. say like she plays a badminton, okay, not she plays the badminton. Next, you also cannot use the before expressions like by air or all day, etc. Okay. So likewise, there are certain uses of the, and at the same time there are also certain places where we cannot use the. But there are some special points to remember with the usage of the. Okay, listen properly. Say when nature, okay, when nature means the spirit of creating and motivating the world of plants and animals, then it is used with the. For example, if I tell you, if you destroy the nature, it will destroy you. Okay, I hope you got it. I repeat, when nature is the spirit of creating and motivating the world of plants and animals, then it is used with the. All right. So this is one special point which you have to note when it comes to the usage of the. So this, as in the previous class we have discussed about a and n, and today we saw the so together these three articles, and articles being one of the kinds of determiners. Okay. So we will end here today, and next class we will see the demonstrative determiners. All right, that will be done discussed in the next class. So go through your text and do the needful as it is being advised, and in case if you have any doubt, you may get back to me. Take care.